Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on the graph or GRT. Wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I know quite a lot of you also trade slash hold slash look at this. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation right now. I mean, GRT, as we talked about the last time around, I think as well, is still bullish. And I know in my last video, it doesn't matter if you watched it or not, but in my last video, I was very pushy on that GRT was and is manipulated. And I still believe that, but I also do want to, and I feel like I didn't do that enough in that video, but I also do want to stress that that's not a problem for me. It's not necessarily something bullish or bearish. It's just something you should know, right? Because if a crypto is quite manipulated, what that basically means is that those manipulators are trading and playing around with that crypto, which means I think that retail has a smaller probability of making money with it. That's all right? But if you look at it right now, still a lot of volume coming from Upbit, UEE, 4E, CTEX. Usually when that's the case, it's manipulated, all right? So it still is, but I wanted to make a video on that because, like I said, I know some of you are watching this, and I do think it has potential. I mean, the structure right now, I would say, is still very bullish. There's technically nothing bearish on GRT right now, all right? We're forming some sort of a weird formation like this. I'm sure it has a name, doesn't matter. What matters more to me is that we're seeing some sort of a push for AI cryptos again. That could continue. I mean, AI, if you think about it, AI cryptos are one of the sectors where you can be pretty sure that it's going to rally at some point of time again. Who knows when? Maybe some sort of a major new release of ChatGPT, maybe some sort of a big investment or some sort of statement by Sam Altman. It could be anything. It's going to rally at some point of time again. So I would not be surprised if GRT rallies again because of that tie to the AI narrative. And we'll get into the technicals in a moment. And apart from that, quite a lot of people also said that I did not understand GRT and its relation to AI. I do. However, I think that it's quite a stretch to assume that GRT is going to be used for AI purposes, all right? I think there are better alternatives right now for AI to use. So I understand the ties, but I don't think GRT should be as bullish as, for example, a Singularity Net, which is completely focused on AI. But those are my thoughts. Let's get into the technicals. All right, because if we talk about the technicals, I become very bullish on GRT. Because if you look at it, what you'll see is that, like I said, price has been a little bit more bullish right now. And then you can also see that more and more capital is flowing towards GRT. We reached an open interest of about $70 million earlier this morning. All right, so $70 million in open positions for GRT is very bullish. That means it has momentum. Then apart from that, you can also see that some of the positions, especially the millions of dollars in positions we opened earlier today, have actually probably, with a positive CVD, have actually probably been bullish, all right? So that means that, maybe those are the manipulators. You don't know, but still, I am bullish on GRT. The technicals in my eyes are bullish. The fundamentals with the AI narrative I still think are bullish. Whether you think GRT belongs in that narrative or not, that doesn't matter. It matters what the market thinks. And with the open interest being bullish like this as well, I expect more bullish momentum. Now the thing is that the open interest has bounced from this level more often, and it does seem like we're struggling with that. So I would not be surprised if we get a quick pullback down to this region between 27.5 and ultimately maybe even 26 cents again. I would not be surprised by that, but I do think it's most likely that we'll still break above 30 cents, which I think is our main resistance level right now, eventually, to get up towards that 34, 35 cents level, which I think is our main price target. And then when we hit that level, we can start talking about potentially going up to 40 cents, etc. But that's too early for now, I think. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.